Hey guys, Benjamin Cloughessy here. I'm really excited to show you my project, Help Easy. Just a little bit of background really quickly. Help Easy it came out of my desire to help people help those who are experiencing homelessness. So it is essentially just a tool that retrieves users' current location and returns a list of nearby homeless shelters, as well as kind of some step-by-step points on how to use that information about the shelters to help the person in front of you. So I built this app with React Native and Expo SDK. Some notable libraries that I used would be Expo Location to get the user's location, React Native Elements, React Native Animatable to make some of those cute animations that you're going to see in a minute. React Navigation, I have a bottom tab navigator here, and I have a nested stack navigator that you'll see in a minute. And I use a third-party search API, TomTom search API, to actually use the location to search for shelters. So without further ado, I'll click on tutorial here, just a cute little tutorial that to help a first-time user understand what the tabs are for, about us, and Liftoff, which is the search. So we'll go right into Liftoff, and we'll click search. And this is actually the beginning of the biggest challenge that I had in this project. So because of the asynchronous nature of my code, fetching locations, I'm using the TomTom search API to search for shelters, and I'm repeatedly updating local state variables. When I actually tried to navigate within this nested stack, I ended up breaking by accident the code because I was trying to render a new component before I finished completely rendering the current one. And so I was able to resolve this by making my navigation a side effect, wrapping it with the use effect hook, and I was able to control that navigation. So here we have the error page. There are no shelters nearby. I live in a rather rural area. If you'd like, you could hit try again and search. The search is approximately 10 seconds long. This is because I'm running Expo Go on my phone. I believe that if this were a native application, it would not take so long. For demonstration purposes, I've gone ahead and pre-coded 3 major cities, just their latitude and longitude. I'll click on Dallas, Texas, just for demonstration. Here we have a list of nearby homeless shelters from closest to furthest. So I'll just click on the first one, and we actually get a detailed page here. It includes the phone number, which is a link. If you click on it, you can give them a call. There's a URL. If there is no URL for that particular shelter, it won't display. And there's an address here. If you clicked on that, you see it'll take you to maps and give you direction there from your location. There's 4 quick little points here, helping the user to know how to best use this information to help the person that's in front of them experiencing homelessness. There's a back button capability if you'd like to select a different shelter. For demonstration purposes, we could even select Cincinnati, a different city. Here you see we get the same thing. And then the final tab, About Us tab, just really quick explaining the mission, the heart, the idea. At the bottom, there's a link to another site that I built, a website actually, designed to inform perspectives on homelessness. So my favorite thing about this project is how simple and clean and useful it is. This is reflected in the code. The project is meant to accomplish a very specific purpose in a very focused way, and I think it does it very well without unnecessary work, both in the UI and the code. So I just want to say thank you for viewing my project, and I hope you have a great day.